Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Eka Dina. I'm from electrical engineering. In this electrical physics practicum course, I will present a paper a major task in semester 3 with this term of carrier resistance. Okay, this is component and then this is symbol of resistance. And then the definition, the electrical resistance is the property of an object to inhibit electric current according to its conductivity. In contrast to reactance, which is an electrical resistance due to change in electric current and voltage, which are often found in inductors and capacitors. Together, resistance and reactance would calculate as the total resistance of the impedance. And the next, the formula. This is the formula is affected by the material of its resistance. This is constanta and then electronica. This is resistansi conductor. And the next, the formula for finding the value in a capacitor circuit input. This is P equal I per R. With P voltage volt and then I strong electric current in ampere and then R resistance in ohm. This constant is called the specific resistance with the symbol R. Is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area as well as resistance. This is R equal P Pi per A. With R resistance ohm and P specific resistance ohm meter and then I conductor length in meter and then A cross-sectional area in m to the power of 2. And then however, even though it is said to be a constant, in fact the value of can also change to the change in temperature, causing the electrical resistance to also change. The resistance value of a conductor R is proportional to the specific resistance or P, the effect of temperature on the resistance, so that it can be written RT equal R0 or 1 plus T, with RT equal final resistance in ohm and then R0 initial resistance in ohm. The resistance of a conductor depends on the temperature of the conductor. Mathematically, it can be written as follows: T equal 0, 1 plus A alpha and then delta and then T. Delta resistance temperature coefficient and then T increase temperature in OC and then T final resistance in ohm meter and then 0 initial resistance in ohm meter. And then next, the comparison constant is called the resistivity. The resistance of the type of wire varies depending on the material. This is a conductor in the first paragraph 1.559 10 to the power of -8, and the next some of the isolator, semiconductor, and another. And the next implication in daily life. Resistance is useful for reducing the electric potential potential voltage. One example is a PC or computer, because the voltage generated by the CPU when reboot is very large. So a resistor needs to be installed inside the CPU to minimize the fault. And then another example of the use of conducting resistance in household applications. The first, conventional household fans, and then electric heaters, electric irons, cell phone or laptop charge, and then electrical application design, and so on. Based on their ability to conduct electric current, materials are divided into conductors, insulators, semiconductors, and superconductors. The first, insulator, conductor, semiconductor, and superconductor. Okay, so many presentation that I can complete. Thank you for your attention. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.